Jump, skip, up, round, go so come. Check, Cherry Point Reggae Rap Star Superstar. Every time.
Junk food, fooling up the place. This is another disgrace.
But see bad mind a kill them Miss Velma. I hear say Bim say Bam say that's Munchie say that's smart. Tell Smaddy that's them girl I say me Cherry Poet they I live large. But oh me must I live good and thing. And oh my skin look good and a glow. No stop say so. Hey Miss Velma, come like them no know. Pass me not International Green Market is where I shop. From the all natural and organic rotisserie chicken to soups, coffees and teas to the deliciously refreshing smoothies and power drinks made fresh to order with your choice of papaya, mango, banana, strawberry, pineapple, orange, grape, blueberry, acai, moringa or hemp protein. Good living starts with better eating habits. Natural and organic food support good health and longevity. Heal your body, soul and mind by consuming more natural and organic food products. From Amish to the exotic, come taste the difference and let true health and living begin. Pass me not International Green Market, located at 4738 White Plains Road, Bronx, New York 10470. Last stop on the number 2 subway between Owens and Penfield. Call them at 718-708-4397. Again, 718-708-4397. Check, Cherry Point Reggae Rap Star Superstar. Every time.